La Piñata, about its origin and traditions. Learning slides. A piñata is an object filled with candy or toys. It's very popular at children's parties. They are made of cardboard and paper and come in a variety of shapes. They can be large, medium, or small. There are two theories about the origin of piñatas. One theory relates to the Aztecs, Mexica. They had the custom of making offerings to their gods. One of their traditions to honor their god Huitzilopochtli was to fill bowls, containers, with the fruits of the harvest and then break them as part of the offering. The other theory relates to China. In China, it was customary to fill clay animals with seeds, like lentils, for good fortune during their New Year celebrations. Marco Polo is believed to have documented this tradition, calling it piñata, a small bowl or container in Italian. The tradition was then shared between Italians and Spaniards when they used it as part of Lent. Eventually, the Spaniards brought the idea of the piñata to Mexico. Spanish monks in Mexico, in Acolman in the 16th century, adapted the piñata as a tool for religious instruction and evangelism. For example, the 7 points on a star piñata represented the 7 deadly sins. They incorporated elements from the existing European and indigenous traditions, like the Aztec celebration for Huitzilopochtli, which involved breaking a decorated pot. This made religious lessons more engaging and helped draw indigenous people to Christian ceremonies, especially during the Christmas Las Posadas celebrations. Although we're not totally sure of the piñata's origin, we do know that it was developed in Mexico, going from a ceramic container to a cardboard object decorated with colorful paper. We also know how fun it is to break a piñata at a party and collect lots of candy and toys while chanting the popular song Dale, dale, dale. Dale, 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 no pierdas el tino, porque si lo pierdes, pierdes el camino. Ya le diste una, ya le diste dos, ya le diste tres y tu tiempo se acabó. Making a piñata from scratch takes lots of patience and time. First, a balloon or a shape built from cardboard serves as its base. It is then covered in various layers of newspaper strips dipped in a sticky paste. Each layer needs to dry completely before the next one can go on, which takes time. After it's strong, 2 or 3 layers, they pop the balloon or take out the mold, and then comes the most colorful part, decorating it with bright tissue paper cut into fringes, flowers, or fun shapes. It's a slow and careful process that requires a lot of patience. A piñata maker is called a piñatero or piñatera. Every year in December, a contest of piñatas is held at the Museo de Arte Popular in Mexico City. The entries are incredible. A link to a great video about them is in the description. Here are some. Thanks for watching.